confidence and joy for every generation, even our little ones. Now get ready for a delightful fancy dress presentation by our little stars from Kids Club. Let's welcome Muhammad Ziad as Mahatma Gandhi, Muhammad Zakir Mirza as Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Muhammad Arshan Ali as Bhagat Singh, Rumaisa Iha as Rani Lakshmibai, Zainab Hunain as Sarojini Naidu, under the guidance of Nabila Ma'am.
Good morning. Happy Independence Day. I am Khaledi. Thank you. Good morning. Happy Independence Day. Nadi Lakshmibai. Thank you.
Yeah.
Good morning. I am Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Thank you. Thank you. Good morning. Happy Independence Day. I am Sarojini. Thank you. Good morning. Happy Independence. Good morning. Happy Independence Day. I am Bhagat Singh.
Thank you.
Thank you.